Come on. Are you coming? You're pretty fast up the stairs anymore, aren't you? Hi, Beth. You doing puzzles in the tub? See, the tub isn't such a scary place, is it? At least when it's full of pillows. Here, I think that one goes in that puzzle. Can you find where he fits? Where do you put that giraffe? There you go, good job. I think this one goes in that puzzle too. There you go. Good job, all right. There you go. Oh, he's upside down there. Can you twist him around? Close. Here. Try like that. Make him fit? Oh, good job. Here you go. You put the hippo in? Oh, on the first try. Good job. There you go. There's your ostrich. Good one. Let's see, I think there's a lion. Find where the lion goes. Good girl. And an elephant? Oh, upside down. Close. Not quite. Can you put him in? There you go. Yay! What's he say? We saw some of those at the state fair, didn't we? Cows say, "Moo." Can you make him fit? Moo. Moo. Good job.